Sourdough pancakes are an easy and delicious way to use up your excess sourdough discard. First, crack 1 egg into 375 ml of milk and whisk it together with 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 240 grams of spelt flour or plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add the wet ingredients to the bowl along with 120 grams of 100% hydration sourdough starter. Mix everything gently together, making sure all the flour is incorporated, but try not to overmix it. When you're ready to cook the pancakes, heat up a non-stick pan or a cast iron skillet to a medium heat, and then add a little bit of oil or butter before frying the pancakes. The pancakes are ready to flip when the bubbles start to show through on the surface and they're a golden brown colour. Flip them and cook them for a further couple of minutes before keeping them warm in the oven as you cook the remaining pancakes. And that's all there is to it. If you haven't tried using spelt flour instead of plain flour, give it a try. It gives the pancakes a much deeper, richer flavour. Let me know in the comments below your favourite way to use up sourdough discard. Once again, thanks for watching and see you next week with more videos.